Here's a 2016 Ford Edge. Aggressively styled and easily maneuvered, this spacious crossover was built for fun. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, dual-zone climate control, streaming audio, rear parking sensors, leather and metal look steering wheel, doors and push-button start proximity key, AM/FM satellite radio, active grille shutters, wireless phone connectivity, and automatic transmission. This from the Los Angeles Times. The Edge is a terrific-looking piece of machinery, short-coupled and athletic, with a long, rakish windshield and handsome grille resembling a triple-bladed razor. The Edge has a deliberate and sporty stance that a lot of CUVs coming off as neutered SUVs are missing. Built on tradition, built to last. Ford. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.